Well, hello. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm attorney Aiden Kramer with the law office of Aiden H. Kramer in Colorado, and you're watching All Up in Yo Business. As I've mentioned in past videos, I get a lot of really great questions from you guys. So what I'm going to do in this episode and a few of the next episodes is I'm going to try to answer some of those questions for you guys. Today's question came from Sherry. Sherry asked, if I am a sole proprietor and I have a $250,000 liability insurance policy, do I still need to form my business as an LLC? Now, if you are a lawyer or have ever gone to law school, you will hopefully appreciate this answer. If you're not, then I'm sorry that you can't be in on the inside joke, but the answer to that question really is it depends. It depends on a few factors, including the industry that you're going into and whether or not there's a lot of risk of lawsuits and liability in that industry. And it depends on your tolerance for risk. If you're willing to take a higher risk and save a little bit of money and a little bit of administrative work, then it might be worth it to go one way or the other. One of the primary purposes of forming a business as an LLC is to give yourself that liability protection. So if there is any liability for the business, you as a person, you as an individual are protected from that liability. So let's pretend you're operating as a sole proprietor and you haven't formed an LLC, but you have this $250,000 liability insurance policy. If you do something in the course of your business that opens you up to liability and somebody sues you, then that insurance policy is hopefully going to cover any of your liability. But if you do something really bad and you're liable for over $250,000 worth of damages, then in that case, you're going to kind of be screwed. Since your insurance policy is only going to cover you for up to $250,000, anything on top of that, you will be personally liable for. If, on the other hand, you are an LLC, you're only going to be liable for the assets of the business, and your personal assets will be protected most likely. So unfortunately, Sherry, I can't really give you a definite answer since it depends on multiple factors and on your own tolerance for risk. If the likelihood of you being involved in any type of lawsuit due to your business industry, if it's just not very common for you to be involved in lawsuits, then it might be worth it to just save the money and get that insurance policy and not deal with the hassle of forming and maintaining an LLC. If you really wanted to cover your the best thing to do would be to form that LLC and then take out a business insurance policy for $250,000 or whatever amount you wanted to, because then not only would you be personally protected through the LLC, but your LLC would also have that cushion from the insurance policy. So I hope that kind of answered that question. I know I couldn't really give you a yes or no answer, but I hope that helped in your decision. If anybody else has any questions, go ahead and comment them below. If you're in Colorado and you want to speak with me personally about how to set up or maintain your small business, feel free to contact me. My phone number and email are below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'm Aiden Kramer, and I'll see you next time.